Installing hi-hats with exposed bulbs and without a lens directly over a Whirlpool tub is not recommended due to significant electrical safety concerns. Whirlpool tubs generate substantial moisture and humidity, creating a potentially hazardous environment for electrical fixtures. There are several reasons why this installation is unsafe. Firstly, exposed light bulbs can become extremely hot during operation. If these bulbs come into contact with water, even splashed water, or the flammable materials present in the bathroom, they pose a significant fire risk. Secondly, moisture can penetrate the hi-hat fixture itself, leading to electrical malfunctions. This can result in short circuits, corrosion of electrical components, and ultimately, electrical shocks. Electrical shock is a serious hazard, especially in a wet environment like a bathroom. Thirdly, standard hi-hats are typically not designed to withstand the levels of moisture and humidity present around a Whirlpool tub. Over time, the moisture can degrade the insulation on electrical wiring, increasing the risk of electrical leaks and shocks. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides guidelines for electrical installations in wet or damp locations. These guidelines are designed to minimize the risk of electrical hazards. When installing lighting fixtures in a bathroom, especially near a tub or shower, it is crucial to select fixtures that are specifically rated for wet locations. These fixtures are designed to be moisture resistant and are constructed with materials that can withstand the corrosive effects of humidity. According to NEC Article 410.10, which addresses the installation of luminaires, lamp holders, and lamps, luminaires installed in wet or damp locations shall be installed in a manner such that water cannot enter or accumulate in wiring compartments, lamp holders, or other electrical parts. This article highlights the importance of using appropriate fixtures in areas prone to moisture. Furthermore, NEC Article 680 covers electrical installations in swimming pools, fountains, and similar locations. While a Whirlpool tub is not a swimming pool, the principles of electrical safety in wet environments are similar. Article 680 emphasizes the use of ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, to protect against electrical shock hazards. A GFCI is a device that monitors the current flowing in a circuit and quickly interrupts the power if it detects a leakage current. This leakage current can occur if someone comes into contact with a live electrical conductor, such as a faulty light fixture. It is highly recommended to use only moisture-rated and sealed light fixtures specifically designed for bathroom or tub areas, especially over a Whirlpool tub. These fixtures are constructed with durable, corrosion-resistant materials and are sealed to prevent moisture from entering the electrical components. Moisture-rated fixtures are tested and certified to meet safety standards for use in wet locations. They are designed to withstand the corrosive effects of humidity and water, reducing the risk of electrical malfunctions and shocks. Sealed fixtures provide an additional layer of protection by preventing moisture from entering the fixture. This helps to protect the electrical components from corrosion and ensures that the fixture operates safely and reliably. When selecting lighting fixtures for a bathroom, look for the UL, or Underwriters Laboratories, listing. The UL listing indicates that the fixture has been tested and certified to meet safety standards. Fixtures that are UL listed for wet locations are specifically designed for use in areas prone to moisture. Additionally, consider the type of light bulb used in the fixture. LED bulbs are a good choice for bathroom lighting because they are energy efficient, long-lasting, and produce very little heat. This reduces the risk of fire and minimizes the potential for burns. When installing electrical fixtures in a bathroom, it is always best to consult with a qualified electrician. An electrician can assess the specific conditions in your bathroom and recommend the most appropriate fixtures and wiring methods. They can also ensure that the installation complies with all applicable electrical codes and safety standards. Moreover, ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are essential for electrical safety in bathrooms. GFCIs protect against electrical shock hazards by quickly interrupting the power if they detect a leakage current. It is recommended to install GFCIs on all electrical circuits that serve outlets or fixtures in the bathroom. The NEC requires GFCIs in bathrooms to protect occupants from electrical shock. GFCI receptacles have test and reset buttons on the face of the receptacle. These buttons allow you to periodically test the GFCI to ensure that it is functioning properly. If the GFCI trips when you press the test button, it is working as intended. If it does not trip, the GFCI may be faulty and should be replaced. When working with electricity, always take precautions to ensure your safety. Turn off the power to the circuit at the breaker box before working on any electrical fixtures or wiring. Use insulated tools and wear rubber gloves to protect yourself from electrical shock. Never work on electrical systems when you are wet or standing in water. Electricity and water are a dangerous combination. In summary, installing non-moisture rated hats with exposed bulbs over a Whirlpool tub is not recommended due to the risk of electrical shock, fire, and other hazards. Instead, it is recommended to use only moisture-rated and sealed light fixtures specifically designed for bathroom or tub areas. These fixtures are constructed with durable, corrosion-resistant materials and are designed to withstand the corrosive effects of humidity and water. Always consult with a qualified electrician when working with electricity to ensure that the installation complies with all applicable electrical codes and safety standards. Remember that electrical safety is paramount, especially in wet environments like bathrooms. Taking the necessary precautions can help to prevent accidents and ensure the safety of yourself and your family. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards and guidelines for electrical installations. It is developed by the National Fire Protection Association, or NFPA, and is updated every 3 years. The NEC is widely adopted by states and local jurisdictions as the basis for their electrical codes. It covers a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, and equipment installation. Adhering to the NEC is essential for ensuring electrical safety and preventing electrical hazards. Firstly, select lighting fixtures that are specifically designed for wet locations. These fixtures are constructed with durable, corrosion-resistant materials and are sealed to prevent moisture from entering the electrical components. Look for the UL listing to ensure that the fixture has been tested and certified to meet safety standards. Secondly, install ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, on all electrical circuits that serve outlets or fixtures in the bathroom. GFCIs protect against electrical shock hazards by quickly interrupting the power if they detect a leakage current. Test the GFCIs periodically to ensure that they are functioning properly. Thirdly, use LED bulbs in bathroom lighting fixtures. LED bulbs are energy efficient, long-lasting, and produce very little heat. This reduces the risk of fire and minimizes the potential for burns. Fourthly, consult with a qualified electrician when working with electricity. An electrician can assess the specific conditions in your bathroom and recommend the most appropriate fixtures and wiring methods. They can also ensure that the installation complies with all applicable electrical codes and safety standards. Finally, always take precautions to ensure your safety when working with electricity. Turn off the power to the circuit at the breaker box before working on any electrical fixtures or wiring. Use insulated tools and wear rubber gloves to protect yourself from electrical shock. Never work on electrical systems when you are wet or standing in water. The presence of exposed bulbs can introduce thermal risks. A standard incandescent bulb generates a significant amount of heat. If one of these bulbs comes into contact with a combustible material such as a towel or even the tub surround itself, it could potentially ignite a fire. LED bulbs generate significantly less heat and are therefore a safer option in a bathroom environment. In addition, exposed bulbs are more susceptible to damage. A dropped object or even a forceful splash of water could shatter the bulb, creating a safety hazard. A sealed fixture provides a protective barrier against such incidents. From a design perspective, exposed bulbs directly over a Whirlpool tub may create an undesirable glare. The reflection of the bright bulb off the water's surface can be harsh and uncomfortable. A fixture with a diffuser or lens will soften the light and provide a more pleasant and relaxing bathing experience. Ultimately, safety should be the top priority when it comes to electrical installations in a bathroom. Choosing the right lighting fixtures and following proper installation procedures can help to prevent accidents and ensure the safety of yourself and your family.